Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a never-landing paper plane step by step. We'll begin with a standard sheet of paper, typically 8½ by 11 inches. First, fold the paper lengthwise exactly in half, creating a strong center crease. Then, unfold it. Next, take the top two corners and fold them inward so their edges meet precisely along that center crease. This forms the initial point of your plane, setting the foundation for its flight. Now let's continue shaping our glider. Take the newly formed top point and fold it down, ensuring its tip meets the bottom edge of the previous triangular folds. This creates a more aerodynamic nose. Then, fold the new top corners inward once more, aligning their edges perfectly with the center crease. Remember, sharp and symmetrical folds are crucial for achieving optimal balance and a smooth, extended flight path. All right, we're getting closer to flight. Carefully fold the entire plane in half along that very first center crease you made. This will bring the two sides together. Next, fold down each wing, creating a flat surface that extends about 1 inch from the bottom edge of the plane's body. It's really important that both wings are identical in size and angle to ensure stable and long-lasting flight. For that never-landing effect, we need to fine-tune our glider. Add small upward folds about 1/4 inch to the back edge of each wing. These are like tiny 11s that help the plane catch air and glide smoothly, keeping it aloft for an extended period. Test throw your plane gently, making minor adjustments to the wingtips until you achieve that perfect, long-lasting flight path. Enjoy watching it soar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.